Hi, my name is Callum and I'm part of the technical support team here at IX Cameras. Today I will guide you through the process of setting up your camera and computer's IP address to easily use our control software. On your computer, open the control software and navigate to the Help tab in the top left. Once opened, select Network Configuration from the drop-down menu. A pop-up window shall appear. In this window, navigate to the Static IP tab and set the IP address to 192.168.0.99 and the subnet mask to 255.255.255.0 for your camera. If you are still having trouble connecting to your camera, your computer's IP settings might be the issue. You can follow these steps or equally ask your IT department for assistance. First, to check your computer's IP address, type View Network Connections in the Windows search bar at the bottom of your screen. In the Network Connections window, find the Ethernet connection associated with your camera. Right-click on the correct Ethernet connection and select Properties from the drop-down menu. It may be labelled as Unidentified Network or No Internet Access. Once the property window is open, locate Internet Protocol version 4 and double-click it. In the new pop-up, select Use the following IP address and make sure the IP address for your computer is set to similar but not the same as your camera's. Typically, this can be any variation of 192.168.0 and any number between 0 and 255. The IP address and 255.255.255.0 for the subnet mask. The subnet mask must match the camera's. Click OK and close all open tabs related to your camera or IP settings. Now restart both your camera and computer. Once they have restarted, attempt to reconnect to your camera. This should have resolved any IP issues between your camera and computer. Thanks for tuning in, and if you have any further questions, please visit our Learning Centre or our Technical Support Hub found via our website, where you'll find plenty of helpful tips and solutions to our cameras and software. Equally, if you're still encountering any problems, you can contact us directly by filling out our customer support team form, found via our website ix-cameras.com. Thanks for watching.